How to extract RAR or zip file in your Windows PC or laptop. Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to provide you with some fastest way in order to do so on your Windows PC or laptop. So let's just dive right in and get started. So the fastest way is you can open up the zip file, the location where it is located. For example, let's say this is the zip file I would like to do. After that, you can right click on it, select the option for extract all, and select up the specific location where you would like to extract it and confirm this up by clicking on extract, and that will do it. It is very faster. And even faster is you can right click on it and select the option for extract all and click on extract all, and that should also do it instead of extract, and drag the files out. For RAR files, you need software such as WinRAR or 7-zip. You can install those. After that, once you find the zip file, right click on it or the RAR file, and once we find it up, we can just go over and select the option for WinRAR, open with WinRAR or extract files, and click on it and extract here to certain folder, and done. It will be done in one click very easily. And after installing 7-zip or WinRAR, you can just go and click on extract here. That is the shortest way possible, and you should be able to extract RAR or a zip file in Windows PC or laptop. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.